What's up, future entrepreneurs? Ready to kickstart your journey to financial freedom? 2 in 5 US adults already have a side hustle. Why? Because one income stream isn't enough. Opportunities are endless for those who seek. Today, I'm showing you 10 killer side hustles that can replace your 9 to 5 if you're willing to put in the work. So grab your notepad and let's dive in. First idea, Etsy digital products. Make money online without leaving your house or shipping anything? Yes, by selling digital products on Etsy. People need templates for everything. Wedding invitations, resumes, planners. Create these using simple tools like Canva. List your digital product on Etsy for pennies per listing, and Etsy handles delivery. Every sale means passive income straight to your bank account. Find hot but not oversaturated niches. Quality is key. Create products so good people can't resist. Create once, sell forever. Start building your Etsy digital product empire today. Second idea, Merch by Amazon. Design t-shirts without inventory, printing, or shipping. With Merch by Amazon, you can sign up, create designs for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases. Upload your design, set your price, and Amazon handles the rest. Earn royalties on every sale. Find your niche, create high-quality, eye-catching designs. Experiment with different styles and niches. The more you test, the more you learn. You might just create a viral design and become a Merch by Amazon millionaire. Third idea, photography. Love taking pictures? You might have a goldmine of passive income on your phone or camera. Sell stock photography. You don't need to be a professional photographer. Businesses, bloggers, and website owners need high-quality images. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock are always looking for fresh images. Identify your niche and start shooting. Experiment with different angles, lighting, and compositions. Edit your photos to ensure they're well lit and properly cropped. Sign up for stock photography platforms and start uploading. The more platforms you're on, the more potential you have to earn. Fourth idea, domain flipping. Think of domain names like digital real estate. Just as you would invest in a piece of land or a property, you can invest in a domain name. The digital landscape is vast and ever-growing, and owning a prime piece of this virtual real estate can be incredibly lucrative. Buy a unique address with the goal of selling it for a profit. The process is simple. Find a domain name that you believe will be in demand, purchase it at a low cost, and then wait for the right buyer to come along. It's all about timing and market insight. Find undervalued domain names, those hidden gems. These are the names that others might overlook, but have the potential to become highly sought after. It requires a keen eye and a bit of research to identify these opportunities. Focus on short, memorable names that are easy to spell and pronounce. These are the names that people will remember and want to use for their businesses or personal projects. The easier it is to recall, the higher its value. Popular keywords related to trending industries are valuable. Keep an eye on what's hot in the market. Industries like technology, health, and finance often have keywords that are in high demand. By aligning your domain purchases with these trends, you increase your chances of making a profitable sale. Hold on to a domain to let it appreciate or flip it quickly for profit. Some domains gain value over time, especially if the industry they are associated with grows. Others might be flipped quickly if you find an eager buyer. It's all about strategy and knowing when to sell. Platforms like Flippa and GoDaddy Auctions help you list your domains. These platforms provide a marketplace where buyers and sellers can connect. Listing your domain on these sites increases its visibility and the likelihood of a successful sale. Location is everything. A memorable, catchy domain name is key. Just like in real estate, the right location, or in this case the right name, can make all the difference. A catchy domain name can attract more attention and higher bids. The .com extension is still king, but other extensions can be valuable too. While .com is the most recognized and trusted extension, others like .net, .org, and even newer ones like .io or .tech can also hold significant value, especially if they align well with the domain name and industry. Start your domain flipping journey today. The digital gold rush is here, and there's no better time to get involved. With the right strategy and a bit of patience, you can turn a small investment into a substantial profit. Happy hunting! Fifth idea, product videos. Love shooting videos? Imagine turning that passion into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time career. Turn your passion into profit by creating product videos. It's not just about filming, it's about storytelling, creativity, and connecting with an audience. Platforms like Billo.app connect creators with brands needing high-quality video content. Think unboxing videos, product demos, and in-depth reviews. These platforms make it easy to find opportunities that match your style and expertise. Brands seek authenticity, creativity, and a genuine connection with their audience. They want real people to showcase their products in a relatable way. Engaging with your audience is crucial. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your content. This interaction can set you apart from other creators. You don't need to be a Hollywood director. Storytelling is key. Plan your videos with a clear script and storyboard to ensure you convey the right message. Get paid to create and gain experience to command higher rates. As you build your portfolio, you'll attract more brands willing to pay top dollar for your expertise. Many brands send free products to review and keep. This not only saves you money, but also provides you with new content to showcase. Sign up on platforms like Billo.app, create a compelling profile, and pitch your ideas to brands. Highlight your unique style and what sets you apart. Be professional, creative, and most importantly, be yourself. Authenticity resonates with audiences and brands alike. Start making bank with product videos today. The opportunities are endless, and the potential for growth is immense. Dive in and turn your video making skills into a profitable venture. Sixth idea: freelancer. Are you a graphic designer, writer, or coder? Fiverr is the platform for you. Think of Fiverr as the world's largest online marketplace for digital services. You set your rates, choose projects, and work from anywhere. Create a killer profile showcasing your skills and experience. Offer different packages at different price points. Highlight your unique selling proposition. Turn your talents into a thriving freelance business on Fiverr. Seventh idea: Swimply. Rent out your pool by the hour with Swimply and turn your backyard into a cash-generating machine. Create a listing showcasing your pool and amenities. Set your availability and hourly rate. Swimply handles bookings, payments, and provides liability insurance. Keep your pool clean and be a good host. Offer additional services like pool toys, towels, or snacks for extra fees. Host themed pool parties for more fun and profit. Think outside the box and get creative. Maximize your earnings with Swimply. Start your pool party profits today. Eighth idea: Neighbor. Have extra space in your garage, bedroom, or basement? Rent it out with Neighbor. Neighbor connects people needing storage with those who have space. You make extra money and someone gets affordable storage. Neighbor handles bookings, payments, and offers protection plans. Set your price, create a listing, and wait for bookings. You're in control of what you rent, how much you charge, and who you rent to. Turn your unused space into a goldmine with Neighbor. Ninth idea: write a book. Dream of writing a book? Self-publish on Amazon with Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Write your book, format it, design a cover, and upload it to KDP. Amazon handles printing, distribution, and marketing. Earn royalties on every sale. Marketing is key. Build an online presence and engage with readers. Offer signed copies, run contests, and collaborate with other authors. Take control of your literary destiny with KDP. 10th, and my favorite: vending machines. Invest in a quality vending machine. This is the first and most crucial step in your journey to passive income. A high-tech, reliable machine ensures fewer breakdowns and happier customers. Stock it with in-demand products. Think about what people crave during different times of the day. Snacks, beverages, and even healthy options can make your machine a go-to spot. Location is everything. Think high-traffic areas. Placing your vending machine in a busy office lobby, a crowded school hallway, or the entrance of a fitness gym can significantly boost your sales. Offices, schools, and gyms are prime locations. Research your target market to understand their preferences and cater to their needs. For instance, students might prefer quick snacks, while gym goers might look for protein bars and energy drinks. Regular maintenance is key. Keep your machine clean and well-stocked with fresh products. A well-maintained machine not only attracts more customers, but also ensures a longer lifespan for your investment. Automate the process with cashless payment systems and inventory tracking apps. These technologies make it easier to manage your vending machine business, allowing you to track sales and inventory in real time. Vending machines are everywhere, but many miss the mark. The key to success is understanding your market and providing what they need when they need it. Tap into a lucrative market by offering a variety of products that cater to different tastes and preferences. This not only increases your sales, but also builds customer loyalty. Generate steady passive income by strategically placing your vending machines and keeping them well stocked. The more machines you have in high traffic areas, the more income you can generate. Think about healthy and convenient options people want to buy. With the growing trend towards healthier lifestyles, offering nutritious snacks can set your vending machine apart from the rest. Start your vending machine business today. The initial investment might seem high, but the returns can be substantial if you follow these steps. Snack your way to passive income. With the right strategy and a bit of effort, you can turn a simple vending machine into a profitable business venture. There you have it, 10 side hustles to change your life. Pick one idea and commit to trying it for the next 30 days. Smash that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content to help you crush your goals. Let's make 2025 your breakthrough year. Go get started, hustler.